Okay, so I'm trying to unlock my Alcatel One Touch Fierce by using the unlockingcompany.com. Let's see how simple entering this really is. No, let me just make sure my phone is still company locked to T-Mobile. And since I know what it is already, I'll just go ahead and enter the information while it boots up. So select phone model, which is Alcatel, and okay, it's on. See, enter SIM lock. Okay, next up would be the phone model, which is Fierce. Okay, next. Wait for it. Okay. Now, country purchase from United States, carrier T-Mobile, and get the IMEI, which is okay. Dismiss. IMEI would be star number 06 number. Okay, so 01376312313. Okay. Next. Okay. Okay. Now I'll go to check out with PayPal and enter my information. I'll get back to you guys as soon as I get the email confirmation. And I just got the email from them. John, I believe. Yeah. So let me see how it's going to work out. I got my unlock code here. Now follow the link to unlock. Okay, manufacturers, Alcatel. Okay, so the generic method didn't work for me earlier, so I'm going to go ahead with all other Alcatel. Okay, so my unauthorized SIM is already there. Just go and turn it on again. Okay, now wait for it. Okay, let me go ahead and reload it down. So the code is 04526683332. Okay. See. Waiting. Close. Let me see what I have now. Lookout is scanning. And I've gotten a signal. Let's see. One, two, oh, let me check credit. Yep. Okay. And it's unlocked to Lime in the Caribbean, St. Lucia. So let's thank John and the rest of the crew at the Unlocking Company for such quick and easy service. Wow. Yeah.